One of the problems we had here was the pebble rock was really deteriorating. Epoxy broke apart and the rocks were loose everywhere, especially my driveway. It hurt your feet if you were walking on it. The tires of the car continued to pick it up, bring it into the garage or out in the street. It got to be an eyesore in my nice neighborhood. It started to break down and I had it redone a couple times, but it didn't last. Before I found Pavescapes, I went and had several old school paver companies give me estimates. The tear out alone was around $15,000, $18,000 for all the old cement, besides the paver job they had to do after that. And then I saw in one of the advertisements, Pavescapes, that they do it over existing materials on your ground. So I called up and they came out and I was really impressed with what they said. They gave me like 30 homes to go look at here around my area. They all look beautiful, their warranty is great, so I went with them. And then the other thing was, I've got a lot of friends that have traditional pavers. They look great, but after 15, 20 years, they settle because they're on dirt. No matter how well they're put in, they're gonna settle, they're gonna move. This impressed me because you've got a solid cement surface underneath. They're never gonna shift because of the dirt or the rain making the dirt move. And that was a big selling point to me. From day one, the crews that showed up were the same crew every day, which impressed me. It wasn't different guys. So they knew every day they ended where they ended and where to start. They communicated well, you know. I would check in with them each morning and they would tell me what's going on and happily do it. It was a great experience. They were all hard workers and the process was amazing. Just, you know, they started on one end of my yard and came all the way around and it just transformed an ugly situation into a nice one. They did a really good job. Since the project's finished, we're amazed by it. I've had a lot of relatives over the last couple weeks. They're blown away because I've lived here 34 years, so they've been here a lot of times with the pebble rock, and they just love it. My neighbors are making jokes. Like I said, I've been here a long time. They said, "Oh, thanks for making our house look bad." You know, that they just love the way the driveway looks and the rest of it. They're amazed by it, how well it came out. I would recommend this 100%. I've already gone on Yelp and left a long one about how anybody thinking of pavers has to look into this. It's a win-win on many fronts. I'd like to thank the entire Pavescape crew, Eddie, Jesse. You guys all did an amazing job. You were there every time I text or called you or here on the site, and I really appreciate it. It went really smooth, it went really well, and again, thank you very much for everything you guys did.